Now is the time to take a look at enhanced efficiency fertilizers, or EEFs, and the advantages they bring to your residential and commercial customers, as well as your business. EEFs are not like conventional fertilizers. They have been amended with a technology, a coating, reacted with other components, or enhanced by inhibitors. So unlike urea, the nitrogen release is regulated and precise. This reliable feeding eliminates the feast-famine cycle. So turf is more tolerant to weeds, diseases, and traffic. There is less flush growth, reducing how often areas need to be mowed. And with more of the nitrogen taken up by the plant, there is less potential loss to the environment. But that's not all. Compared to conventional nitrogen sources, enhanced efficiency fertilizers have extended longevities, which means fewer applications. And that's a big advantage. It saves time, labor, and equipment wear and tear. There is less unplanned mowing, less fuel, fewer clippings to deal with, and less hardscape cleanup. And fewer fertilizer applications allow you to tailor your business model to include more services, like additional weed control or landscaping, and frees up crews to visit more properties per day. Plus, more efficient uptake means less nitrogen needs to be applied, up to 40% less compared to conventional fertilizers. Not only are enhanced efficiency fertilizers more effective in delivering nutrition to turf on residential and commercial properties, they can also give you a competitive business advantage. And that's important. In the face of rising costs, tighter budgets, labor concerns, and environmental issues, EEFs are a better way to grow your business. And a better way to fertilize.